At the Microsoft event in New York City on October 2nd, the company revealed all things Surface, classic laptops, tablet, laptop hybrid, Bose competing wireless headphones, and one of the most anticipated arrivals, the Surface Studio 2. The success of the wildly versatile Surface Studio that debuted back in October of 2016. A screen designed specifically to enhance the creative process of its users, inspired the continuation of this computer, canvas, easel hybrid after 2 years in the making. The Surface Studio 2 was finally announced at the Microsoft Surface event yesterday. This device is already available for pre-orders starting at a lofty $3,499, room $14,515. But an enormous amount of capabilities and innovations come with that price tag. For starters, the 10-point multi-touch 4,500 by 3,000 resolution display is a massive 28 inches with 13.5 million pixels and 192 dpi. You can support the display with up to 2 4K UHD or via a single 4K UHD. An option previously unavailable with the original Surface Studio. Plus, you can select an NVIDIA GeForce GTX graphics card at either 6GB or 8GB of GDDR5 memory, which will offer a speedy and efficient interface.
The zero-gravity hinge allows a display to shift into every possible angle from perfectly upright to flush against the surface. Whether you're drafting with Surface accessories like the pen and dial or using it for a VR experience, all angles are supported. For those who are using the display as their canvas, the new and improved Surface Pen responds with practically no lag. Plus, you can easily adjust the extent of your shading by tilting the stylus at different angles. To complement the pen, the new Surface Dial is a device that can be placed on the display to make the user interface more intuitive. Actions like scrolling through an article or navigating a 3D map become simpler with just the rotation of the dial. The device even has a plethora of applications that it works with for graphics creation, but also Spotify and one called J Pro that can turn the Surface Studio into a turntable. The Surface Studio 2 is powered by an Intel Core 7th generation i7-7820HQ processor with the option for 1TB or 2TB of storage and 16GB or 32GB of memory. As if the device itself wasn't enough, you will also receive the Surface Pen, which even has a rubber eraser on the end, keyboard, and mouse. Sadly, the dial is sold separately. Designed with creatives in mind, if you can get past the price tag, the Surface Studio 2 could be a tool that brings together laptop, tablet, easel, canvas, and even drafting table in one.